Good morning, Namaskar. Hello friend, today I am going to present a video on anatomical terminology part 1. Anatomical terminology means the term or word used in anatomy. Without proper knowledge of terminology, we unable to understand the meaning of the sentence which is written in book or explained in any part or related to matter. Terminology or nomenclature is used for identification of a certain part or organ or structure, for description of individual structure. This contains certain rules for nomenclature. This depends upon origin, use, incidence, development or other circumstances. So any term written in anatomy, especially it arised or developed or derived from origin, use, incidence, development. In India, we study English is American or Great Britain or England, but this English is converted form of or translated form of Latin or German word in medical science. So we have proper knowledge or meaning of the terminology. Who make a terminology or decide the meaning, or any society is responsible for the maintaining of this register or dictionary. So we see Parisnomia anatomica. Parisnomia anatomica (PNA) is the internationally accepted terminology for anatomical descriptions, which was ratified in New York in 1960. There are about 5,500 Latin terms in Parisnomia anatomica or PNA, which is freely used along with English word. So Parisnomia anatomica is a society which is formed in New York in 1960, which is responsible for the inclusion of any word in this society. There are about 5,500 Latin terms in PNA, which is freely used along with English word in description of the anatomical terminology or descriptions. A structural component of body. A structural component of body. Regional names are names given to a specific region of the body for reference. Examples: skull or cranium, cranial or skull, thoracic or chest, brachial or arm, patellar knee, cephalic head. Bone is the hard part of the body which provide framework to body, or it provide a definite shape to a body. Properties of bone. Properties of bone. Bone is living tissue. It grows with age. It regenerates when damaged. Fractured bone heals and forms union. It can atrophy or hypertrophy. So atrophy or hypertrophy it occurs in diseased condition. So properties of bone is, it is living tissue, it grows with age, it regenerates when damaged, fractured bone heals and forms union, it can atrophy or hypertrophy. Function of bone. These functions are maintained by bones. Bone provides framework to body. It acts as lever for muscle and helps in movements of body. It protects viscera. It helps in hematopoiesis. It is a storehouse of calcium and phosphorus. Bone is the storehouse of calcium and phosphorus. Composition of bone. Organic 1/3 and inorganic 2/3. Interparietal bone. Bone between parietal and occipital bone. Bones in human body. Vertebral column 26, cranium 8, face 14, auditory ossicles 6, hyoid bone, sternum and ribs 26, upper extremities 64, lower extremities 64, total 206. So individual bones like vertebral column 26, in which cervical vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal. Cranium has 8, parietal, occipital, frontal, temporal. Face has mandible, ethmoid, zygomatic, palatine, lacrimal, nasal concha, molar bone, etc. Auditory ossicles 6, 3 ossicles in each ear, stapes, incus, malleus. Hyoid bone 1, sternum 1 and 12 pair ribs, total 26. Upper extremities 64. Scapula 2, clavicle 2, humerus 2, radius 2, ulna 2, carpal 16, 8 in each arm, 10 metacarpal, 5 in each palm, and rest is phalanges. Lower extremities has 62 bones, 2 hip bone, 2 femur, 2 patella, 2 tibia, 2 fibula, and tarsal bone is 14, 7 in each foot, 10 metatarsal and rest are phalanges. Total bone in human is 206. Anatomical position. Anatomical position is position of body which is chosen by anatomists for the purpose of description of body, in which body should be standing erect, hand should biside the leg, eyes are open and looking forward. So this is anatomical position. This position used for description like upper, lower, medial, lateral, caudal, cephalic, proximal, distal, superior, inferior, anterior, posterior, etc. Thank you for watching this video. In next video, I try to present anatomical terminology part 2 very soon.